Hey y'all, my name's Meeps 2010 for my first video, and I'm also from Nova Scotia, Canada. For my first video, we're opening 6 packs of Shining Fates and a Meow VMAX box. And with me today, I have my cameraman, Carl.
Hello. Let's see if we can get that Charizard today out of that Shining Fates.
Pack number 1. White code card, which is normal in Shining Fates, but hey.
Show the code.
Here's y'all's code.
Good.
Let's flip it. Fighting Energy, Dartrix, Rusted Shield, Ball Guy, Rowlet, Eevee, Morpeko, Weasel, Nickit, Yanma, and Dreadnought. Dang it. Well, on to the next pack. Here's y'all's code. Pack number 2. Fire Energy, Rotom, Rusted Sword, Floatzel, Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee, Morpeko, Weasel, Rillaboom VMAX! I'm even pretty sure it's a shiny. Yes, it is.
That is a shiny one.
That's a shiny Rillaboom VMAX, y'all. Let's see what the last card. I got a God Pack.
Wow.
I got a God Pack.
Very nice.
This is really rare, y'all. Wow.
Set those aside and
Those
see if we can get that Charizard. That was a really good pack.
Let's see if we can get the Charizard. Pack number 3. I can get it open. Two, three, 4. Electric Energy, Dartrix, Ball Guy, Cramorant, Nickit, Cacnea, Qfont, Eevee, Weasel, Trapinch, and normal Volcanion. On to the Charizard pack. Pack number 4.
Come on, Charizard.
Come on, Charizard, y'all. One, 2, 3, and 4. Leaf Energy, Floatzel, Team Yell Towel, Tropius, Cacnea, Qfont, Eevee, Weasel, Yanma, Nickit, and normal Zarude. Surprising that we haven't got a holo yet, but got a God Pack.
A lot of normal rares.
Yeah. I don't think there's actually that many rares in this set, though, so. One, 2, 3, and 4. Dark Energy, Floatzel, Team Yell Towel, Rotom, Morpeko, Eevee, Gossifleur, Yanma, Snom, a shiny Rookity!
Nice.
Let's see what we have. Whoa! Crobat V!
Another double hit.
Another double hit. Pretty good. I thought we were not going to get much at all. But we got a God Pack and another really good pack already, so let's see what our last Shining Fates has to offer. I can get it open once again. 2, 3, and 4. Dark Energy, Thwacky, Rusted Sword, Rotom, Yanma, Trapinch, Nickit, Gossifleur, Cacnea, Rillaboom, and, a holo, Luxray. That's pretty cool.
It's a nice holo Luxray.
Cameron and Carl can't talk. Okay, now on to the Meowth box. Once again, if I can get it open. Get that out of here. Set that aside. Oh, and here's our 2 Meowths. Here's our Ultimate Meowth VMAX card. And let's see what packs we have. We have with us today and here's y'all's code. Here's our 4 packs. We have a Unified Minds, which seems pretty thick, a Cosmic Eclipse, another Cosmic Eclipse, and an Evolutions. We'll start with Unified Minds and go on from there. Get this out of here. Clank. A white code card.
And does that matter in these packs?
It really does.
Nice.
So we may be getting a holo or we may be getting something epic. Psychic Energy, Munchlax, Reset Stamp, Electric, Gibble, Lickitung, Dweeble, Munna, Pikachu, Hoot Hoot, and Aerodactyl GX. Whoa, that's so cool.
That's pretty sick art.
It really is. Really is, Cameron, man, Carl. What's also sick is your name. Cameron, Carl. Another white code. Whoa! This box is treating us to something good here. Steel Energy, Tag Team Belba and Bryceman Tag Team. Lavesta, Anorith, Spheal, Cottony, Rowlet, Phantump, Alolan Grimer, Slugma, and Holo Lycanroc. Still pretty cool even though it's only a holo. On to the very airy other Cosmic Eclipse pack. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've just been getting whites left, right, and center here, y'all. Water Energy, Island Challenge Amulet, Curlia, Roller Skater, Piplup, Alolan Vulpix, Rockruff, Stuffle, Rowlet, Floette, and Blastoise and Piplup Tag Team! OMG,
wow,
guys!
That's very
This
nice.
is beautiful! I've never seen this before. That is really cool. I didn't even know you could get tag teams in this. That is what I call cool. On to the Evolution pack, probably the one everyone's been waiting for. Let's hope we get something good. White code card. Every single pack in this box has been white code carded, guys. Oh wait, pull this one back.
It's only 3 on this one.
Oh, I accidentally pulled it to the front, y'all. But it's a Holo Zapdos. put that to the side for now. Energy Retrieval, Pokedex, Onyx, Weedle, Machop, Tangela, Vulpix, double Vulpix, and a Haunter. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also comment about the background if you really like it. See you next time. Meeps out.